Hi, in this part we are going to take a look at how to access Figma components, plugins and widgets from the toolbar. So let's go to the resource button here, and here we have our components tag where all our local and team components listed, and we can search for a component by its name in the search input. We can click and drag a component to our canvas. Next, here is our plugins tab. Here is my recently used plugins. This is my installed plugins, and last, my plugins that I have developed. So let's go back to recent. Let's say I want to use the Unsplash plugin. Here is my plugin. If we click, we go to its home page, hit run to start the plugin. Next, we have widgets. So widgets will help us collaborate better with our team. For example, let's use this simple vote widget. Let's click add. So here we have, let's check allow multiple vote, hit start, and here I can collect vote for my design and so on. Last, let's go and see the comment tool. Let's add a comment to my button. I can add an emoji here and also mention a team member and add. And here in the sidebar, we can see the comment. That's everything for this part. In the next lesson, we'll take a look at the scale tool. Thanks, and I will see you in the next lesson.